I'm with Allan Behrens from Cambashi, and we just finished up the morning session. You can hear in the background they're calling us back in, so we'll make this short. What did you see this morning that was most interesting? What really stuck out for you?
I think it was interesting to see some of the technologies come together from the Archimedes project. Certainly it's only the start, but it'd be interesting to see as it rolls out, what form it takes in practical results.
Sure.
I think the other thing, I was very impressed with the customer presentation, actually. I enjoyed the Unilever
From
presentation.
Unilever?
Absolutely. I think it's very insightful, actually, and very interesting.
Yeah, when you watched through the Unilever presentation, kind of what was it that you think they really got? I mean, because they seem to have had a really good command of kind of how business strategy flowed down into what they're actually doing. I mean, what do you think that the trick is there, specifically for a CPG company, right? Because it's kind of pretty clear that they're trotting new ground. And he mentioned, we talked to him earlier today, and he said that there is a big challenge in doing something that's traditionally been done for discrete. Even in the process. I mean, what do you really see them being faced with, and what they're going to have to do?
Well, I think there's a couple of things that really stood out from this presentation, which we've seen in the industries before. The first one was the element of pragmatism. And the second one was the whole concept of reuse and their challenge of retaining data and skills with movement of people.
Sure.
And I think that is really
and that's universal. That's not just a CPG thing.
Absolutely, but I mean, we've certainly seen it in the chemicals and process industries. So there's a lack of resource, and being able to manage and capture that data and then distribute it later, is very, very important. I mean, it's important to everybody, as you quite rightly say. But in particular, he reinforced that, and that was interesting.
That's good. So of all the demonstrations and presentations and stuff like that, what do you think really is going to the thing that you saw that kind of really impressed you as being valuable to a customer, to a user today, something that they could take and run with, that they should be looking at?
Well, I think I suppose the one demonstration which is interesting was the automation of the production line.
From Automation Designer, from Technomatics down to
Technomatics down to. In fact, both of them were very good, actually. They do show some technology which is going to be very useful to people. I suppose one of the challenges is, how much is it going to cost? How easy is it going to be to roll out? That's yet to come, but I think there's both very useful technologies, actually. I think the customers will see a benefit, and they are differentiable to your company, I have to say. They are something which is people have talked about. Nice to see it as a product.
There you go. All right, well, we'll let you get in for the Nissan presentation.
Right, thank you.
Appreciate your time. Thanks, Alan.
All right, cheers.
All right.